to the day 11 of basic English grammar. Today we are going to learn about tense and why the tense is important. Dear friends, today we are going to learn about tense and its types. This is the most important topic for us if we are in the spoken English learning or if we are learning the written English. Because if you are learning written English, if you get this knowledge of the tense, you will definitely pass your exams with good marks, highest marks. As well as if you are in the spoken English learning, then this will help you to understand the tense and how to make sentences. Because tense is most important to know that the verb is in which tense. That means if it is for the present tense or past tense or the future tense. Only when you know the tense, you will understand to form the sentences very easily. Alright, so I welcome you for this session. If you have not gone through till day 10, please go through that. The link is in the description. Alright, so let us understand what is tense and the types of tense. Here, tense, as I mentioned, tense is having three types, that is past, present and future. So past, present and future. Past is something which refers to the thing which is already completed, and present is for the current situation, and future refers to the coming situation. And in past tense, we can see the definite and simple tense, continuous or progressive tense, perfect continuous tense. Dear friends, here for in each type we have these four types of tenses. They are called subtenses, or these are totally 12 because in each tense we are having four tenses, right? So you can see here past independent or simple, past continuous or progressive, past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense. This is also called perfect continuous tense. Alright, now what does it mean? Definite or simple. Definite or simple in the sense it is generally for the habitual things. Something like sun rises in the east. So for past tense, it gives a simple past tense sentence. In past tense, we use was or were, and in present tense, we use is or am or are, and in future tense, we use will be, shall be. Alright? And in past tense, we have past independent or the simple sentence. That is a normal simple sentence having subject, verb and object. That we'll see tomorrow how to form the sentence. And in the continuous or progressive, as it says progressive, that means it's going on. Some action is going on. Okay, so here continuous or progressive means action is going on in the past tense. Action is happening in the past tense. And perfect means, as it tells, perfect means something is finished. So something is finished in the past, that is past perfect. And about past perfect continuous, as I said, perfect, this is continuous or continuous, progressive in the sense something is happening, going on, and perfect means something is completed. That means here starting of an action is completed, whereas the action is still going on. All right, and coming to present tense, again this is present indefinite or simple sentence which will tell us about some habitual things or common things, or it will tell us some simple sentences like which is having subject, verb and object. Alright, so we'll see the sentences in coming days, or tomorrow we can see the sentence formation, that is day 12. Alright, continuous progressive in present. Present continuous progressive, that means continuous or progressive, that's both are same. In present tense, something is happening or going on, the action is going on, work is going on, happening, I am teaching, so the thing is going on, in the sense some action is happening or going on. And perfect means in present perfect, today, sometimes before some action is completed. All right, and perfect continuous, present perfect continuous, that is some action is happening, going on, and we know the perfect time of that action started. Coming to future, again it will be a simple sentence, simple indefinite tense, simple sentence, and continuous will be like going on, it will be happening in future, the verb or the action, the work will be happening in future. Something like I will be reading, that will be continuous, right? Perfect in future, it would have perfect or completed, I would have reached, that is perfect sentence. Let us see the sentence formation tomorrow or coming days. Next, future perfect continuous, that is perfect progressive. Here, as in present and past, the action will be continuous happening, whereas the time of the beginning, it will be perfect. In past, we have 4 types of tense. In present, again 4 types of tense. And future, again 4 types of tense. That means totally there are 12 types of tense. And in these 12 types of tense, we have 4 types of sentences to be formed. We can form 4 types of sentences, and basically first one is positive sentence. Positive means where there is no negative. In the sense, I don't go there is negative, I go there is positive. Alright? So positive where there is no negative or not. And coming to negative, in the sentence there will be not or no. So whenever not is there, that is a negative sentence. And interrogative is a question. What is your name? Question. Again, negative interrogative. Am I not a teacher? Negative, again interrogative. Not and interrogative. Alright? So these are the 4 types of sentences we can form in this each 4 types of tense. Present 4 types of tense, and future 4 types of tense. In each tense we can make 4 types of sentences. So dear friends, we have seen about tense and the types of tense. I hope you enjoyed this session. So give me a like if you like this session, as well as share it with others and subscribe this channel. If you subscribe this channel, you will get the video as and when I upload. Alright, and today we have seen tense. Tomorrow we are going to see how to form the sentences in this each type of tense. Alright, dear friends, that's all for today. If you want the live session, live lessons from me, you need to click on the membership level 4 in my YouTube channel. Dear friends, that's all for today. This is Randy D'Souza, an author and India's first authority building mentor. Here I am signing off, and I will see you in the next video.
If you like this video, click on the like button and share it with others so that they also can learn. Hit the subscribe button and subscribe the channel so that you will get everyday new tips on this